Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid tie inverter. A grid tie inverter is a crucial device that transforms direct current, often from solar panels, into alternating current. This alternating current is then synchronized with your home's electrical grid. By doing so, any surplus power you generate can be fed back into the utility grid, potentially earning you credits or reducing your overall electricity consumption. It's an excellent way to maximize your renewable energy investment. Building a grid tie inverter involves several key components. You'll need a robust DC-AC power conversion stage, typically using insulated gate bipolar transistors or metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistors to efficiently convert your direct current. An MPPT controller is vital for extracting the maximum possible power from your solar panels, often achieving 98% efficiency. Additionally, a microcontroller is essential for precise grid synchronization and implementing critical safety protocols, like anti-islanding protection. When designing your grid tie inverter, precise voltage and current matching with your local utility grid is absolutely paramount. The inverter's output must perfectly synchronize with the grid's frequency, typically 50 or 60 Hz, and phase. Crucially, anti-islanding protection is a non-negotiable safety feature, preventing the inverter from feeding power into a disconnected grid during an outage. Always incorporate robust grounding and overcurrent protection to safeguard both your system and personnel. For installation, carefully connect your inverter to both your direct current power source, like solar panels, and your home's alternating current electrical panel. Before energizing the system, conduct thorough initial checks to confirm all wiring is secure and correctly terminated. Once operational, continuously monitor the inverter's performance, observing its power output and efficiency. Always ensure your entire setup strictly adheres to all local electrical codes and utility interconnection requirements for safe and reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.